If you need a super portable camping table that extends from 4 feet, like wide 4 feet, but from height, it goes from 22 to more than 30 inches with extensible legs. This one, this Fantik outdoor camping table that they sent to me for the video, I think it's fantastic, not only because number one, it is super portable. As you can see, it packs some weight. That's the only thing that I'm gonna say, kind of like it packs some weight. So if you put it in your car, that's gonna be better. And then you carry it to whatever you need to go, because it's a little bit heavy, but not super heavy. But actually, something like this being heavy translates into good quality, because it's gonna give you a really nice and firm support. Let me show you. So the first thing you're gonna do is open it up. So once that is open, you're gonna reveal all the parts of the table right here. So you're gonna do two things. Number one, so you're gonna push it a little bit, then you're gonna extend the legs, and they're gonna click just like that, meaning that this one is ready and lock. So this push over here is the one that's gonna give you the lock as well. So once that you have it like this, you're gonna see that this one, it has the 4 feet, and now this is kind of like the lower level. So this lower level is kind of like more for kids, I want to say, or something like that, when they're having dinner or playing like in a playground, something like that. But then you can do something really cool with just one click. Check this out. You put your feet over here, click this one up, and you extend it just like that, release the lock, and kind of like do the exact same thing over here, and you're all set. So release the clock over here, the lock, not the clock over here, and you're all set with a taller table. So that is going to give you a really nice support, and it's also going to give you a really nice way to playing around with the table for the various needs you have when you're going camping, hiking, fishing, to the beach, or just to friends and family houses. And here you can take a closer look to the structure. It is actually pretty firm, but the best thing right here is this lock. Is this going to give you the best way and the easiest way to actually manage the height of the table for whatever you need it, and for whatever situation you have, of course. I like it. Super easy to assemble, super easy to carry on with you. Supports up to 300 pounds, and of course the 4 feet and the 22 inches on the lowest area to more than 30 inches to the upper side as well. I like it. Again, thumbs up, recommended. Thanks for watching. See you soon.